What's up, gents? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to extend the neckline to make your beard look fuller and thicker. Now, I've brought this topic up a few times of why I don't like shaving up to the jawline. In my opinion, it gives that extra neck fat. Looks like you're tightening up too high up, and also it makes the beard look thinner than it actually is. Now, with that being said, with the line being too high, if that is the case, let's go ahead and extend the neckline by each shave. And this is what I did this past week. We'll go ahead and get the razor on really quick, and I'll show you how we're going to extend the line from the neck to go down just a little bit, maybe about a 1/4 inch at a time. Now, just like you and me, sometimes I go a little too high on the hangman's noose, and we got to grow down the beard on the neck just a little bit. So instead of shaving the entire beard off or actually trimming down the beard, we can actually take our razor and go about a 1/4 inch down, and we're gonna extend that neck beard down here just a little bit, so that way when it grows, we can blend it into the actual beard that we're growing itself, and that way everything looks cohesive and good and clean. That's right. Now, as you guys can see, when I lift my neck up, here's a new growth pattern that I did. My first cut through was a little high. So I went down about a 1/2 inch, I followed the line, and I went a little lower. Now, the nice part about this is it's not noticeable at all. Naturally, when you lay your head down, you really don't notice those minute cuts and those growths. So this is a great time. Once it reaches this area and the 5 o'clock shadow happens, now we can go ahead and take the clippers, blend everything in, shave it up, and look nice and neat. Now, just to reiterate, if we're going too high on the hangman's noose, within the next week of the 5 o'clock shadow, just go down a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch and create a brand new line. This is going to create the new neckline that we're gonna have. And that way, as our beard grows out and the new section grows out, we can blend it in with the clippers. And this is a great time to add new things, put new lines in, and sharpen everything up. This is a journey. Why not have some fun? And that's it. Short, clean, and straight. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!